Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we have discussed some different flavored milks, chocolate milk, fruit milk, or drinks, or sterilized milk or homogenized milk. Then in this topic or in this lecture, we have discussed next part of this topic, that is standardized milk. This is the milk whose fat or solid non-fats content have been adjusted to the certain predetermined level. According to the rule, the standardization milk for liquid consumption should be contain minimum 4.5% fat and 8.5% SNF throughout the country. These are the standard rule for related to fat, and SNF means solid non-fat percentage. Then flowsheet diagram of manufacture of standardized milk. First step is same in all the methods or procedures, that is receiving of milk. After that stages are changes or steps are changes. Here preheating is done at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. After that filtration or clarification was done. Then cooling and storage at below 5 degrees Celsius. Then standardization, then pasteurization at 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. After that homogenization at 2500 psi. This one is pressure condition is there for standardization of milk. Then bottling and packaging. After that last step is storage at below 5 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Celsius. This one is method of manufacture, in short, for standardization of milk. Then soft curd milk. Soft curd milk is a milk that forms a soft curd when coagulated with rennet or Pepsi. These are the adhesives. Then characteristics: soft curd milk contain low calcium and caseins. Soft curd milk having low percent or low minimum amount of caseins or calcium. The average casein or calcium content of Indian cow and buffalo milk as compared to human milk is given in this chart. First, types of milk: Indian cow, Indian buffalo, and human. Casein is casein percent in Indian cow 2.5, and calcium is 0.13%, Indian buffalo 3%, and calcium is 0.19%. Here human being having casein 0.4% and calcium is 0.03%. Okay, this one is percentage of calcium and casein in Indian cow and buffalo and human being milk also. Then mother's milk is best for feeding infants since it forms a soft curd when coagulated in stomach and is apparently more quickly digested by infants than other milk. So this is most advantage of mother milk, which is easily digestible. And method of preparation of soft curd milk. Then first one, natural soft curd milk, then dilution with water, heat treatment, homogenization, acidification, enzyme treatment, addition of salt, base exchange treatment. These are the some methods which is used in this preparation of soft curd. Then vitaminized milk. Next one, vitaminized milk. It is the milk to which one or more vitamins are externally added. Additionally, we have to add vitamins. That milk is referred as vitaminized milk. Then irradiated milk. It is milk in which the vitamin D content has been increased by exposure to UV rays. Vitamin D content increases. Then irradiated milk, which is irradiation at UV rays to increase the vitamin D content in that milk. Then mineralized milk, it is the milk to which minerals has been added. Then deficiency disease of vitamins. It is well known that lack of vitamins in diet causes specific deficiency in disease, which in turn can be cured by the intake of these vitamins. Means we all know that a particular vitamin deficiency causes some diseases. So we can recover by using this vitaminized milk. Then Name of vitamin and result of deficiency. Vitamin A, poor growth in young, lower resistance to infections, night blindness. After deficiency of vitamin A, this disease or these results are occur. Then vitamin D deficiency causes rickets in children and osteomalacia, softening of bones, that is in adults. Then vitamin B1, that thiamine, beriberi disease will be after deficiency of vitamin B. Then vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, a sore mouth and tongue in children. Then vitamin C, vitamin C causes scurvy, swollen gums, and clinical features including fatigue and hemiorrhea. Then fermented, next one is fermented milk. In previous slide we discussed different vitamins and their disease that may be asked for our MCQ type of question. Then fermented milk is referred to those milk which have been made by employing selected microorganism to develop the characteristic flavor. दही जे म्हणता ना तुम्ही ते fermented milkचा part येतो आपला. The advantages: fermented milk is much more popular than normal milk. Its nutritive value is usually increased. It is more easily assimilated by the human system than normal milk. It may contain beneficial antibiotics. These are the advantage of fermented milk. Cultured buttermilk. It is obtained by inoculation and incubation of pasteurized skim milk with lactic starter. These are the bacterial processes in inoculation and incubation method. Then flow sheet diagram of manufacture of cultured buttermilk. First step is same, null. Receiving of skim milk, here we directly use skim milk. So receiving of skim milk, then filtration, then pasteurization at 82 to 88 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, then cooling to 22 degrees Celsius, then inoculation at 1%, then after that incubation at 21 to 22 degrees Celsius, coagulation for 12 to 16 hours, breakup of coagulation, and then cooling 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. After that packaging and storage is there up to 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Then next one, acidophilus milk. This is the type of fermented milk is produced by developing in the milk and culture of lactobacillus and acidophilus milk. Flow sheet diagram of manufacture of acidophilus milk. First one, receiving of skim milk here, skim milk. Then filtration or clarification was done at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Then sterilization or homogenization also done at 115 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then cooling at 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Then inoculation 3 to 5%. Then incubation 30 to 40 degrees Celsius for 12 to 16 hours, and then coagulation was done. After that, break up coagulation, then cooling and storage to 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. This one is manufacture process of acidophilus milk. Okay, here we end our topic, that is special milk. Thank you very much.